Hello everyone and welcome back to our maths channel. Today, we are going to solve a really interesting problem about packing cards into boxes. This type of question appears in many school exams and it looks confusing at first, but don't worry. With one smart strategy, it becomes surprisingly easy. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Here is our question. Ishak packed some blue cards and 238 red cards in boxes. There were 7 cards in each box. In every 3 boxes that he packed, there was a total of 4 blue cards. How many boxes did Ishak use altogether to pack all the cards? Take a moment to read it again. Notice something interesting. We know the exact number of red cards, but the number of blue cards is a mystery. And the blue cards come in a repeating pattern, 4 blue cards in every 3 boxes. Let's organize our information. What do we know? First, Ishak packed some blue cards and exactly 238 red cards. Second, every box holds exactly 7 cards, no more, no less. Third, in every group of 3 boxes, there are exactly 4 blue cards. And what do we need to find? The total number of boxes Ishak used to pack all the cards. All right, now we need a plan. Here is our strategy. The question keeps talking about every 3 boxes. That means the boxes repeat in identical groups, group after group, always the same. So let's simplify the problem. Instead of thinking about all the boxes at once, we zoom in and study just one group of 3 boxes. Once we understand one group completely, we can work out how many groups Ishak needs to pack all 238 red cards. Do you see the idea? Understand one group, then multiply up. Let me draw a model of one group. One group has 3 boxes and each box holds 7 cards. So one group holds 3 times 7, which is 21 cards altogether. Out of these 21 cards, exactly 4 are blue, so all the rest must be red. 21 minus 4 equals 17. Every group of 3 boxes contains exactly 17 red cards. This is our key discovery. The red cards are used up 17 at a time. Now let's write the working step by step, just like in the exam. Step 1. Find the number of cards in one group of 3 boxes. 3 times 7 equals 21 cards. Step 2. Find the red cards in one group. 21 minus 4 equals 17 red cards. Step 3. This is the clever part. We know Ishak packed 238 red cards in total, and each group uses 17 of them. So we divide. 238 divided by 17. Let's work it out together. 17 times 10 is 170. 238 minus 170 leaves 68, and 68 is 17 times 4, so 10 plus 4 gives us 14. Ishak packed exactly 14 groups of 3 boxes. Step 4, each group has 3 boxes, so the total number of boxes is 14 times 3, which equals 42 boxes. Before we celebrate, let's check our answer. 42 boxes times 7 cards each gives 294 cards altogether. The blue cards, 14 groups times 4, is 56 blue cards, and 294 minus 56 equals 238 red cards, exactly what the question told us. Wonderful! Our answer checks out perfectly. Let's state our answer in a complete sentence. Ishak used 42 boxes altogether to pack all the cards. Well done, everyone. Remember this powerful idea? When a question repeats in equal groups, simplify. Study one group first, then count the groups. Practice this, and questions like this will never scare you again. See you in the next video.